Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up your portable hotspot. To get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen like so to bring down the toggles, and swipe down somewhere in that region once more to extend the list of visible toggles, which also will add the names to them. We are obviously looking for the hotspot one, so for me that is right over here. Once you see this toggle, first time around you can hold it and this will quickly take you to the settings. And the reason you might want to navigate in here is because under hotspot settings, you'll find the hotspot password, and that is randomly generated. So without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to. I do recommend getting rid of it and setting up your own new password, as this one is pretty bad. Your new password will need to have at least 8 characters in length. And that's really the only thing I recommend changing. So once that's done, make sure you click right here on this check mark to save the changes. And we can close this, find the toggle once again, and this time around simply press on it to turn it on. And you're good to go. Your hotspot is now enabled and you can connect to it. Now, one more thing to keep in mind is your hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery. So once you're done using it, you can quickly turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. But don't worry if you forget about it. By default, in the settings, if I navigate back in here, you can see that we have a toggle turned on to turn off hotspot automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity, which will obviously work wonders for your battery. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.